Okay, guys. So today 6-7 people have woken up, which is good sign. So okay. So let me just pin video and I could live this now. Okay, perfect. So start. Vandita Gandhi. Gandhi ji, आइए.
जी, actor's greatest challenge. First one is commitment. Like to communicate the expression of art, it needs techniques to be learned, followed.
तो देखो तुम्हारा साउंड जो है ना बड़ा ये यूपी बिहार स्टाइल का साउंड है. ये तुम्हारा क्यों है यहाँ सुनाई नहीं देता है? तुम ये क्या करती हो अपने साउंड का? छोटा सा माइक ठीक से नहीं ले पाती हो, कैसे होगा?
Just give me a moment, man.
कर लो इधर उधर, थोड़ा बैठ जाओ एक जगह माइक को फिक्स करके.
Am I audible now?
हाँ.
Ji, to communicate the expression of art, it needs techniques to be learned, followed, and practiced with commitment. Actors need to practice his art work to enhance his craft skills with different techniques of acting. Making it professional for some, acting career may be just a hobby or passion. They are not really.
कमिटमेंट चैलेंज है एक्टर के लिए. एक्टर के लिए कमिटमेंट तो आज से 10 साल पहले भी था, 20 साल पहले भी था. आज के टाइम में चैलेंज क्या है वो क्वेश्चन है. आपने क्वेश्चन ध्यान से पढ़ा?
जी.
व्हाट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट चैलेंज फॉर एन एक्टर टुडे? ये कमिटमेंट ग्रेटेस्ट चैलेंज है.
Like most of the people, they are not ready to commit for the learning the skill for a long years. Like
no, Vandita, you have to answer this in first person. Like for you, exclusively for you, what you think are the challenges. So you can't talk about other people who are not committed. Then you have to take names and incidents where they have proved that they are not committed. So we can't say general things like this. Okay, so if you think that commitment is a problem, then I would say like you are talking about yourself.
What is the challenge you are facing as an actor? बताइए.
My challenge I'm facing, like I need a proper training right now.
अब तुम काम के बात पे आई हो कि because the training institutions are very limited, so it is very difficult for us to find a good institution. That is the challenge you are facing. You talk about that rather than a commitment.
So then this answer, I think I have written.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, पढ़ी.
So making it professional for some acting career may be just a hobby or passion. They are not really interested in turning their passion into give to artistic value, as it requires time, study, effort to handle works from all countries and from all mediums. Then choosing of content or character, like making choices of character depends upon their personal status and popularity and not as per as artistic value. Acceptance of rejection. Facing rejection or failure is the greatest challenge of an actor.
अब तुम काम की बात पे आई हो. चलो पढ़ो.
Facing rejection or failure is the greatest challenge of an actor, as some might not able to handle in a professional way, which leads to in low confidence. Understanding of actor, some are not enough trained to build the character with an ease, which affects their performances. Knowledge of different art forms or techniques. Actor may restrict himself or herself to only particular art form or techniques and hence not exploring to others or technique which restrict their imagination, flexibility, being expressive.
ये पहला क्वेश्चन हुआ इनका श्रावस्ती.
Oh, acha. Okay, I thought it's a continuation. You have to at least like write the question at least. How would we understand? Yeah. Few points are of course, but I was thinking, Naresh, this question is asking for any particular challenge because is it related?
Question है वो ये है कि what are the challenges?
What are the? Okay, fine.
In general, acceptance rejection का बहुत बड़ा वो है कि भाई आज के टाइम में अगर एक स्ट्रगलर बॉम्बे जाता है और उसको काम ही नहीं मिलता, फॉर एग्जांपल, ये एक्सेप्टेंस रिजेक्शन तो बात की बात है. एक तो काम मिलना भी एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है कि काम ही नहीं मिल रहा है लोगों को, तो क्या करोगे? That is also because
exactly
how you can
yes, absolutely. So I think giving a heading of acceptance of rejection, I think we can mention here about the competition, the increased competition, and because of that it is getting different for difficult for actors to actually stay in the loop, right? और इसीलिए ज़्यादा हम rejected हो रहे हैं, actors who doesn't have much skill or anything. So we can talk about the competition over here. Yes, understand the techniques, of course. And what about the school that you were talking about?
Training is not available, easily available. Good training institutions are not there. That is also a challenge because FTI, NSD बस बात खत्म. छोटा मोटा अपना BNA, MPSD और ये सब छोटे इधर उधर नीना सम वगैरह छोटे नहीं है मतलब, but वो comparative to NSD and FTI, they are still I would say
yes,
small.
Availability. Yes, but there are institution आज से 20 साल पहले जितना था उससे तो ज्यादा ही है अभी. अब उससे because acting को लेके ना लोग ज्यादा मतलब सोचने लगे हैं, because there are many reasons, popularity हो कि पैसा हो कि जो भी हो, तो इस वक्त to give a good performance and sticking around is most difficult. So of course you can talk about the skill that an actor requires nowadays to to give actual, I mean, good performance in that way. Of course this तो heading पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो, तुम कौन सा heading देने मतलब देने से वो actual thing वो inform or conveyed हो रहा है. But yes, a few points are on the right track. So commitment से ज्यादा तुम उस क्या
training वाला है point.
हाँ, training. Yes, training. Yes, making it
professionally trained actor, getting oneself professionally trained. I would say getting professionally trained for an actor, for oneself. Correct?
Yes, more or less like प्रोफेशन तो आज कोई भी मतलब एक्टिंग को ले ही सकते हैं, even the YouTubers and Instagram reels are all, they claim themselves as actor, but we are talking about trained ones who are like
premier institution, let's say from
yes choosing of content is also, of course, so these are the points which I think like it makes sense. But it's a good try, so I'll give you 5.5.
चलिए, costume makeup वाला question.
लेकिन ये थोड़ा सा ज्यादा ही छोटा हो गया है, उसको तुम्हें elaborate करना पड़ेगा.
करने pointer correct होने चाहिए, and then it is question of elaboration.
हाँ.
इधर उधर का फालतू pointer मत डालो.
तो ये जो परसेप्टिव है फर्स्ट वाला, जो अपने हिसाब से लिखना है या फिर ओवरऑल जनरल एक्टर के बारे में?
देखो प्रॉब्लम तो सभी लोग फेस कर रहे हैं ना
जी.
So of course तुम खुद को मतलब फर्स्ट पोजीशन में रखो, दूसरों के बारे में बात करके तो कुछ फायदा नहीं है, because you are the one who wants a professional training, and that's why you are applying. So you have to talk about yourself and the challenges that you feel that you will face in future.
I think this is a problem. I think this is a challenge. Use that good idea. Suggested use first person.
Because the question is also asking like what you think are the challenges, है ना?
Costume and makeups imply psychological disposition of character. Costume and makeup communicates the details of character's personality to the audience and help actors transform into new and believable people on screen. For example, Daniel Day-Lewis in Lincoln depicting a real-life character. Costume and makeup can change the space of an actor's body to reflect the time period of the story. For example, Banu Atyay, costume designer, who recreated the reality of M.K. Gandhi right from the barrister to be the father independent India, recreating pre-independence era of Indian society in Richard's Attenborough film. Costume color can manipulate the emotion on many different conscious and subconscious levels. For example, Spike Jonze in her film, where movie's hero Tendoro wears a bright red, blue, yellow, and white shirts throughout to communicate his emotional state.
Yes, Absolutely, very good. This is a very precise and to the point answer. And what was the first point that you have written?
Like costume and makeup
I
implies psychological disposition of character, like
Yes, yes.
but I
And
am not
you can
getting.
add on to things like where costume and makeup is like something which is not realistic. Something even I have used this for realistic costume and makeup. I have also in my PPT I have used this example of Daniel Day-Lewis in Lincoln. But other than that, where you feel like where a costume, it's not a realistic character, maybe there how it has impacted, or maybe realistic in some different way, uh, like that you can increase pointers, you know.
Like fantastic characters like Avatar or Iron
Yeah,
Man or something.
Avatar
I
is not the good, not a good yeah, because it's more of like the technical thing is there, because the actor was not actually playing the character, you know, in person. So whatever we were seeing is through a medium. It's a mediated performance. But where you have, for example, any Harry Potter character or something like that.
okay.
Which, yeah.
I need an example for first point. If disposition,
डिस्पोजिशन ये आपने लिखा है ना, साइकोलॉजिकल
yeah.
डिस्पोजिशन, ये है क्या? अब ये बड़ा हैवी सा वर्ड है, बड़ा ये हैवी ड्यूटी वर्ड है, फेंकने वाला शब्द है, साइकोलॉजिकल डिस्पोजिशन.
Means उसका जो mood है,
Please,
like
you are
state.
giving on some.
So when we see, like we generally in most of the films we see, whenever the character is in a dull mood, the costume immediately gets into the gray tone, or you know, on the darker tone. The antagonist and the protagonist of the of a film, they usually take take a typical take some typical shades of color, you know, to portray their character like that.
Can I use the example of a lady of portrait of fire, that जो दो लड़कियां हैं
हाँ, दो
उनको
लड़कियां, those are, yeah, but it's a periodical film, yeah. But उसके costume में ज्यादा changes है क्या in terms of mood or emotion?
No, they are following the red and green throughout the movie, but that red and green is implicating some like something always. Something red is like a fire and green is like something. They always indicate
Yes,
something.
of course. If you think that that will, you know, make sense, that example you can of course use. And because it happens, costume palette is about that, you know, how the character is changing, how the emotion is changing, and how the color is changing accordingly. Yeah.
It is nice. So we'll move to another one. Another gentleman.
Yes, this is, I'll give 7 for this. Yeah.
Very good. वंदिता, जाग गई हो तुम, अच्छी बात है. सो रही थी बीच में. कल मैंने इनको थोड़ा एक डांट पिलाई है, तो इस लोग जागे थोड़ा.
No, actually.
कल राइटिंग में कभी मैं थोड़ा सीख रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा.
अच्छा.
वैसे बोलने में क्या होगा, टोनल क्वालिटी आ जाती है. तो हाउ टू डिवाइड माय टोनल क्वालिटी, आई एम लर्निंग दैट बेटर टू सेंड ए राइटिंग इन राइटिंग, व्हिच इज एट लीस्ट द टोन इज मिसिंग. You still get the content, but the tone is missing. My tone is little dangerous, so I have to avoid it. हाँ जी, सिद्धांत शहारपुरकर, चलिए आइए.
सर रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन भेज दिया मैंने.
कोई बात नहीं, लिख दो, जो पढ़ दो, जो भी कुछ लिखा है. क्वेश्चन गलत लिखा है या आंसर गलत लिखा है?
नहीं, क्वेश्चन ही गलत है.
दोनों ही गलत नहीं है, but not for today.
मतलब या can I read it from my book or should I mail it to you?
Yeah.
काफी लोगों का है, तो आज छोड़ दो, काम की चीज पे आ जाओ. हाँ जी.
Yeah, this is.
Sir, I can read it from my this thing or what?
कोई बात नहीं, आप पढ़िए इसको. एक्टिंग का चैलेंज वाले को उस पे आ जाइए.
Okay. Believability. One of the biggest challenges for actors is to be believable and truthful. In fact, for most actors, this is all that they are after. It's the noble goal. Creating believable and truthful characters is the hardest challenge because actors have to make the audience believe that what they are seeing is real and not just a performance.
अब मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्या ये आज से 20 साल पहले चैलेंज नहीं था? ये अभी चैलेंज है, पहले नहीं था ये. माय क्वेश्चन है, आज से 20 साल पहले जो एक्टर थे, क्या ये उनके लिए चैलेंज नहीं था? बात हो रही है क्वेश्चन को. मैं बार बार एक चीज बोल रहा हूँ, तुम लोग क्वेश्चन पढ़ते ही नहीं हो. क्वेश्चन ये है कि what is the greatest challenge as an actor today? आज की बात हो रही है, आज जहां इंटरनेट है, आज जहां सोशल मीडिया है, मोबाइल है, एसएमएस है, मैसेंजर है, व्हाट्सएप है, इस पीरियड के अंदर आज क्या सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज? ये बात हुई। ये तुम बात कर रहे हो बिलीवेबिलिटी की, तो 20 साल पहले भी था ये, तो 20 साल पहले नहीं था ये बिलीवेबिलिटी वाला जो पॉइंट है, 20 साल पहले नहीं था।
था सर।
तो फिर तुम क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पढ़ते हो। सी, आई एम अगेन टेलिंग यू गाइज, 80% और आई वुड से 90% ऑफ द पीपल डोंट रीड द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली। कुछ भी अपना इमोशन ये फेंको मत, ईमानदारी से क्वेश्चन को समझो, ईमानदारी से सिंपल शब्दों में आंसर दो, ठीक है? अब चलो नेक्स्ट पे आओ, इमोशन।
Emotion comes up more than anything else, like how to connect with the emotion, how do I cry, how do I laugh, etc. For an actor to feel emotion, adapt it and portray it, and not only portray it but also getting out the same emotion from the audience is very challenging. Memorizing the script line by line and acting it out is also one of the greatest challenges faced by actors, because an actor can't do improvisation as the director wants the scene and the lines to be exactly the same as they are written. Motivation. For any actor, it is not easy to get up every day and go for the shoot sets. For us to get up and get makeup done, give retakes, follow impromptu schedule, etc. Along with all of this comes the competitive world where everyone is trying hard to get in the profession. In all of these, actors staying motivated all the time is one of the greatest challenge.
I think the only point which is relevant is this competitive world. जो तुम जिसके बारे में ज्यादा बात कर सकते थे इस आंसर में, because most of other points are, they are there always. Whenever someone wants to be an actor, even he has achieved being successful, then also he can find problem to stay motivated, find problem to emote rightly at the right point. So it's a challenge for actors for lifetime. So these are the things they try to improve and come out of it, but what are the things that today's world is facing, today's actors are facing, right? वो OTT platform है, वहां पे मतलब लाखों करोड़ों तरीके की तरह कंटेंट आ रहे हैं, तो तुम एक जगह पे खुद को you can't restrict as an actor, you can't restrict to any singular genre in that way, because तुम्हारा वो difficult हो जाएगा, सर्वाइव करना डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. सो
वहां से मुझे क्वेश्चन याद आया श्रावस्ती, इसका अपोजिट अब क्वेश्चन क्या होगा कि व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस टुडे इन टुडेस टाइम फॉर बिकमिंग एन एक्टर? व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस?
एब्सोल्युटली. तो इसीलिए मुझे ये भी लगता है कि मतलब देयर आर सर्टेन ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स, इंस्टीट्यूट्स, थोड़ा सा मतलब उतना ज्यादा वो आए नहीं है, लेकिन दे आर डूइंग गुड जॉब. फॉर एग्जांपल ड्रामा स्कूल मुंबई है, तो वो दैट इज नॉट अ गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट, बट दे हैव अ 1 year integrated course which and the alumni are doing very good in the industry, so they are all surviving. So institutes bhi hai abhi, so that is advantage also for today's actors, right? तो ये आंसर तो थोड़ा सा मुझे null and void ही लग रहा है. You have to try it again basically. Okay?
Yeah, I'll try for you. Ma'am, I really wanted to read my costume and makeup, but
कोई बात नहीं, आप क्वेश्चन भूल गए, आप वो आप कर लेना बाद में. चलो पूर्णिका शर्मा आइए. Body, mind and voice, what are the action you have undertaken to sharpen these acting tools? 20 marks का क्वेश्चन था.
Yes, so talking about the body, so scroll down a bit.
चलिए.
I undertook chow dance workshop to strengthen my body, build a strong core, and inculcate different animal movements, as every character has certain animalistic quirks, such as chirpy like bird, flexibility as that of a snake. I undertook a basic ballet dance workshop for strengthening my body muscles and inculcating how to stretch, lift, and relax each body part. For an actor, To have a confident body posture is a must. Thus, it has helped me bring elegance in presenting myself. Exploring lyrical jazz and somatic movement on YouTube has helped me with body relaxation, connecting with music, and developing rhythm in body to different tempo. Personally, observing emotion at different body parts with difference in tempo or the mood evoked. Characters walk, building different pace of walking, emoting differently every time, building backstories to feel each emotion, practicing the walk of an infant to that of an 80-year-old, exercising facial muscles and eyes, stretching facial muscles with different sounds such as an oo, e, or ah to gain control over them, smiling, pouting lips, filling mouth with air to opening it wide, raising, tensing, and relaxing eyebrows, following finger to different directions, rolling eyes in different directions steadily at different paces. Mind, meditation, music, and body movement. They help relax mind and release tension in body and help concentrate on the coming performance. So scroll down a bit. Detaching from social media if and when required. Psychological readings to broaden my understanding of human psyche. Voice. Practicing voice registers to practice voice modulation and understanding the texture and quality of.
बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट है, साइकोलॉजिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग टू ब्रॉडन माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ ह्यूमन साइकी, क्योंकि अभी फ्यूचर में एक क्वेश्चन हम और बनाएंगे जो पहले आया था, उसको 3 पार्ट में ब्रेक कर रखा है हमने. हाउ पेंटिंग कैन हेल्प एन एक्टर, हाउ अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ म्यूजिक कैन हेल्प एन एक्टर, हाउ रीडिंग ए लिटरेचर कैन हेल्प एक्टर. ये वहां पर भी पॉइंट जो है आपका, ये पॉइंट जो है इस्तेमाल हो सकता है.
Okay.
तो मैंने मार्क कर दिया है थोड़ा सा बोल्ड करके. आप भी
Voice. Practicing voice registers to practice voice modulation and understanding the texture and quality of my own voice. Pranayama, breathwork, and panting to build lung capacity and different breathing patterns for characterization. Practicing sargam on tanpura or harmonium to help build different pitch, bring depth, and voice. Next.
Yes, absolutely. I think this is very good, and you have written it from your own experience, which is very effective, and that is how it should be. That whatever you have gone through and whatever you are actually practicing, genuinely, honestly, you should put up and not show off anything. So I don't think you have done that. So yeah, it's a good one.
Even if you are taking these ideas from Google, which
No,
I know
sir,
that
I
you
do
have,
these. That's
but
why.
So do you, are you a singer? Do you
Sound
are you trained in singing?
I'm not my sister. So that's how I do it.
I'm telling you. See,
You do it with your sister.
Yes.
Acha, doing is important, whatever, however. And this psychological readings, did you mean literature?
Literature,
Or like
psychological books,
reading human
Dr. Brian
psychology?
Weiss, Louisel Hay, Rhonda Byrne, those people.
Sorry, psychologists.
Yes, like Louisel Hay, Dr. Brian Weiss.
Okay. Like that. Okay. Yeah, this is good. This is very honest as it seems honest. Okay, so I'll give you 7.
and that is the whole art. Even if you do your research on the Google by various websites here and there, but when you write, it should look like as if it is coming from your heart rather than वो फेंकने
Sir,
वाले.
I didn't Google anything.
फेंकने वाला चक्कर खतरनाक. चलिए, next. Andy, how does
the makeup and costume design enhance the value of the performance of the actors in a film? Makeup and costume are indeed a part of characterization, adding on an aesthetic value to the actor's role. Makeup emotes to co-actors and the audience, evokes a response or reaction in them. Makeup helps reflect mood, age, occupation, status, nature, confidence, culture, religion, insecurities at times of a character. Costume helps an actor to stay in sync with the character and stay in the imaginary world while performing. A costume gives out the details that might not be evident in dialogues. Even they denote characters' occupation, mood, status, religion, tradition, culture, nationality, comfort, confidence, social and political traits, which are defined in the way the character being played carries it. the aesthetic pleasure that the audience or reader would derive from the costume worn by actors. Sir, ये edit हो गया कुछ.
कोई बात.
This is because costume tells the audience or reader everything about the character. Examples: Natalie Portman in Black Swan. When she wears the costume of the Black Swan with the dark makeup, with a natural instinct, her body language changes to be confident, seductive in nature, and powerful, taking control over the stage. Meryl Streep in The Iron Lady. From being a member of parliament to running for the prime minister's post, her makeup transforms to be very subtle and clothing to be less fancy but edgy and professional, which were adapted in the character's personality throughout the journey, reflecting her to be more powerful. In old age, slightly comfortable loose clothing reflect the tiredness and health of Thatcher. Heels and professional clothing at a gathering denotes the character's aging and being uncomfortable, needing help to be dressed up and undress herself.
Yeah. This is also on the right track.
Sorry
Can we
for the
scroll up
grammatical
a bit?
mistakes here.
Narishi, can you scroll up a bit?
Natali
What are the pointers, initial pointers? Just I want to have a look. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. So just the way I was, telling Vandita that, increasing examples in terms of other kind of characters, non-realistic, fantasy or something, because their costume makeup plays a very different role altogether. So you can talk about that as well. And if you have examples which goes beyond gendered in that way, you can talk about that as well. So yes, otherwise it's on the right track. So 7 for this. Yeah.
7 from Shravasti means 8 in a exam. Okay?
Oh,
Chalo.
I'm not that mean.
According
It's not a mean, it's a question of strictness.
But yeah,
When I say that you got 60% marks, it means I also tell them later on, please add 15% more. So 60 means 75. I am more miser than you. So
okay.
I'm very miser person. Tell you. When it comes to even to marking to myself, forget about others. Even you have to mark myself for anything, I am very much.
Yeah.
According to you, what is the acting profession's greatest challenge today? With the onset of the pandemic, the film industry has slowed down, with few films making it to the box office, and a handful of theaters are running on half capacity for play productions. The COVID norms have shifted offline.
एक मिनट ये क्वेश्चन जो है कोविड से पहले वाले एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में पूछा गया था. अगर आप क्वेश्चन पेपर देखने में विश्वास करती हैं तो याद आ गया आपको?
जी सर.
उस जमाने में तो कोविड नहीं था. करेक्ट
जी.
तो तुमने कोविड का थ्योरी जो लगाया है अभी.
COVID is a very temporary situation. It's not, we will actually it is gone now. Things have started to work again.
But ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन बन सकता है for this coming exam कि during the time of COVID, what are the challenges faced by an actor? अब उसी क्वेश्चन को
by an actor तो बाद में है, as a human being how you survived is like primary
क्वेश्चन आएगा ना कि भाई how during the time of COVID what were the greatest challenge an actor faced? मतलब अगर उसी क्वेश्चन को रिसाइकल करना है उन लोगों को, because at the end of the day there is a limit of questions, मैं तो permutation combination सोचता हूँ कि what can be another permutation of the same question? Like if you remember, नाट्य शास्त्र पे उन्होंने उसको contemporary में डाल दिया. You remember that question? Contemporary practices.
But this can be a relevant question for this year particularly, है ना? COVID के वजह से तो एक तो है कि एग्जाम ही नहीं हुआ FTI में, but otherwise it's a very relevant point for today's, this year's question paper. It can come. Something related to COVID might appear. Yeah. Siddhant, you have something to say?
Yeah, that's what I was saying, ma'am. Like
if they ask the same question this year, COVID will be like one of the prominent reasons, because of COVID, the OTT platforms have got the boom.
Yeah, yeah,
वो
absolutely.
वो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, क्वेश्चन वो फॉर्मुलेट करेंगे. आई एम राइटिंग ऑल दीज अनदर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द
हाँ, so we can attempt.
more old wine in a new bottle, I would say. So how they could change the bottle, that you also have to think. चलिए बोलिए.
The COVID norms have shifted offline acting rehearsals to the online mode, creating a disconnect within the co-actors and team. With less paid opportunities in hand, one needs to know how to support themselves and generate an alternate source of earning in the uncertainty of getting acting projects or payments. Till now, the entertainment industry has not been recognized as an industry by the government of India.
No.
Oh my God, no.
It has been recognized, and hence filmmaking is getting the loan from the banks and some other subsidies, etc., etc. So this is a totally incorrect sentence till now.
Yeah, and also they are
Okay.
segregated in zones, right? Eastern zone, Western zone, like that. So that registration and everything, it is a process, legal process.
Complete
Okay, so-
government never gave the grant, government never gave the loan by the banks without collateral security like IDBI. IDBI is the only bank, government of India's bank basically, who gave the loan to films up to 50 crore. 50 lakhs. No. Yeah, 50 crore. So 20, 30, 10, that kind of volume they were giving it. Up to total allocation was 50 crore rupees in a year. In a 1 year, IDBI, the maximum allocation was 50 crore. And the good thing is they never lost money, because the negative was their what you call collateral security. So,
okay, sir.
आइए.
The concept of intimacy directors has just started in the Indian film industry. Thus, actors are always at the hand to not receive the comfortable zone with the co-actor or experience exploitation. With the coming up of innumerable casting sources, an actor cannot always make sure of genuine and professional casting companies. At times, for certain branded advertisements and music videos, number of followers on Instagram is one of more value than the actor's talent to casting directors to reach out to a wider audience.
ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा अच्छा पॉइंट है कि चैलेंजेस जो है अभी इतना सब फेसबुक पे चलता है, पता नहीं लगता है कि कौन जेन्युइन कास्टिंग कंपनी है और कौन फेक है. दिस इज आल्सो अ चैलेंज.
Yes. And the challenge actually is about the disorganized sector. It's a very disorganized sector because casting bahar jo hota hai outside India, without a casting agent, without, you cannot move or enter or approach anywhere, right? तो यहाँ पे तो अपने इंडिविजुअल कनेक्शन पे डिपेंड करता है एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड इवन मुंबई कास्टिंग फिर भी अच्छे कास्टिंग कास्टिंग सेंटर्स एक्चुअली सेक्टर्स वर्क प्रॉपरली. जैसे कि कोलकाता या फिर रीजनल सेक्टर्स में तो वो है ही नहीं बात. सो इट्स अ वेरी डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर. ओके. Yes, comfortable intimacy. Okay.
I mean, it's about actor's choice वैसे तो contractually, but I just thought it might be a point.
If you're talking about exploitation, then it has always been there. So in that
But there
way,
are
So use
center
that
जैसे organizations
popular
still
word
हैं.
of casting couch thing and define it more clearly how it is a challenge.
Okay, sir.
Is it a challenge or is it
no, is it a challenge for because we can say like it is a challenge for a particular gender maybe, but how it is, how you will relate to as a common actor's problem. एक common actors problem क्या, मतलब इस चीज को कैसे हम directly connect कर सकते हैं rather than talking about a particular minority section in that way.
Okay, ma'am.
और उसके ऊपर सो scroll up.
कोविड वाला पॉइंट?
हाँ, कोविड वाला पॉइंट.
इसको एक अलग से क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे हम लोग.
But you have to mention that maybe it's a temporary thing. ये ऐसा नहीं
Okay.
है कि जिंदगी भर रहने वाला है.
Okay.
Yes. Less paid opportunities in hand. One needs to know the support themselves and generate an alternate. ये क्या है? Like COVID के वजह से.
Yes, ma'am.
Uncertainty of getting acting projects. अच्छा, COVID. Other than that, yeah, social media and everything. You जो last में तुमने बोला है, so talk about that contents के बारे
Okay.
में बोलो, because these are the now it has started in the sense like it will increase only. Social media से हम बाहर नहीं आने वाले हैं अभी उसके और अंदर ही जाएंगे. ठीक है, like in next 50 years also these things are going to stay there, so an actor have to survive all these things.
ये नया आता रहेगा, कोई इंस्टाग्राम आ गया है, कोई और आ
हाँ
गया
हाँ
है.
हाँ, और ज्यादा इसमें मतलब वेरिएशंस और
Volume
ज्यादा
दिखेगा.
इंटरवेंशंस होने वाले हैं, so we have to talk about, so I'll give you 6 for that. Yeah.
सौरभ नायडू,
Yes, sir.
बोलिए.
Body, mind, and voice, what are actions that you have undertaken to sharpen these acting tools? So I've written that there's nothing systemized that I do. It's very unplanned and actually happens on whim and mood, but that doesn't mean that it doesn't work. Body. So first thing is dance is something that I use not as an aesthetic expression of the body, but rather a way to overcome inhibitions and hence become an act of opening up. Dance is also something I use for body awareness, which becomes increasingly important as the performance becomes more physical. There's another exercise called Latihan. It's not a dance per se, but outwardly it may seem so. It's a more subtle way to let your body talk with the space around. It has been used for meditation and also as an exercise for dancers to become aware of the body. Here, more than opening up, it's the sensitivity with which one is aware of the body which increases. Third point is to be aware of the body during natural untamed behavior. For example, when I'm in extreme anger or when I am very restless, how is the psyche taking shape in the body? And then to reverse it, that is, reverse engineer it, that is, there is a certain way my body reacts to a certain emotion through facial expressions. Now, what if I use that same expression mechanically and in an exaggerated way just to generate the same emotion or mood within, a way of the outside in? Then the mind. As done with the body, the same can be done with the thoughts. During a strong emotional state, I find it nice to be aware of the thoughts that are of reaffirming those emotions. And once I understand that emotional pattern, that pattern can be mechanically created and even exaggerated to come to a similar emotion. It acts as not just an acting tool, but as an awareness exercise to be observant in the louder and the silent moments alike. Meditation is something that I've been involved with past few years. It's not as much as interacting with the world around, but rather the world inside. To just be available to all the chaos inside and observe how just being there as a witness reduces the chaos within, and in effect, you become more still. And I don't need to highlight the significance of stillness in acting. A still mind can ground and root all the emotional, mental, and bodily movement with ease and restraint. Voice. I sing a lot, especially past few years. I've found myself singing more and more, especially when there is a feedback loop of my environment giving me validation or just to enjoy myself. I'm not a trained singer, but singing the songs I like and getting the voice and tune right gives me immense happiness, and that provides me the necessary voice culture. Humming is said to be a good exercise for the voice and also as a way to calm one's mind. So I do that whenever I feel my voice needs a certain refinement.
Okay. Uh, okay, let's start from the ending itself. Yeah. If you are humming is a good point as a voice exercise, but if you are talking about singing just for happiness, that is something else that you do to enhance your mood or just boost up or something like that.
But like
Singing,
that thing has helped my voice a lot. That's what I wanted to say. When I said that it gives a necessary voice culture, I've seen that because I sing like it's not a once in a blue moon. I sing like regularly, so that has helped my voice a lot, like
Okay.
from what it was to what it is now.
Okay, I'm just asking you to also mention the you know, the importance of training in that way, because you are the one who is listening. You might know that you are in tune, or you might not know that you are in tune. Or if you really practice, you know, for example, when you are not that aware, you might crack your voice very badly, and you have, maybe you need to get to, you know, medication or doctor to. So in that way, I'm saying, for someone who wants to take up acting as a profession, of course singing helps, regular singing helps, but in that way, it, I don't know how it's going to make it a point as it helps your voice culture. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah, so because it is not, it has a process. Voice, opening your voice, and in the right way, it has a process, and if you don't follow that, you might get badly affected, injured, or something like that. But certainly keep it as a point where you enjoy, of course, but इसके वजह से तुम्हारा voice enhance हुआ है, तुम्हें लग रहा है शायद, but it's a very individual perspective.
Right.
What she is trying to say is, what are the professional efforts you are making? टूल क्या चीज होता है? अब मान लीजिए कोई आदमी जैसे बढ़ई है, ठीक है, तो बढ़ई का टूल क्या है कि उसका जो रंदा है जिससे वो लकड़ी को छीलता है, वो उसका टूल है, ठीक है। तो उसमें जो अंदर एक लोहे का एलिमेंट होता है, उसके पास एक छोटा सा पत्थर होता है, वो पानी डाल के उसको पहले शार्प करता है। अगर उसका रंदा जो है वो ठीक से नहीं चलेगा तो लकड़ी छील नहीं पाएगा। तो आपके पास जो टूल है उसको आप प्रोफेशनली कैसे शार्प करते हैं, ये मैंने,
जैसे मुझे क्या लग रहा है, अगर मैं एग्जामिनर होती या फिर कोई भी एग्जामिनर, शायद तुम्हें इस पॉइंट पे थोड़ा सा जज भी कर सकता है, लाइक हाउ दैट इफ यू थिंक दैट सिंगिंग हेल्प्स, देन व्हाई डिडंट यू टेक अ प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग ऑफ इट बिफोर जॉइनिंग द कोर्स? If you think that singing actually is helping your voice culture, then the examiner might think that you are actually ignorant about this fact कि training matter करता है ना, कि मैं सब जानता हूँ, मेरा वॉइस ऐसे ही मैं गा लेता हूँ और मेरा वॉइस अच्छा हो रहा है। दैट्स अ वेरी लेमैन्स पर्सपेक्टिव, है ना। कोई प्रोफेशनल कोर्स अगर ज्वाइन करना चाहता है तो उसको उसके टूल जो उसके पास है, मे बी यू आर अ गुड सिंगर बाय बर्थ, इनबॉर्न तुम अच्छा गाते हो, बट स्टिल यू नीड टू नो द टेक्निक टू यूज इट टू मेक इट एज योर प्रॉपर स्किल। राइट, या Okay.
Like,
what were the other points? Yeah, उसके ऊपर वाला point क्या है? Can you scroll up? Yeah. Okay, meditation is a good point. Before that, yeah, can you just elaborate the point before that? Before meditation.
Which one?
Meditation.
Sir, can you please scroll up? Yeah. So what I meant with that, कि whenever like I am in a certain emotion, and the thoughts which trigger those emotions, like sometimes the emotion happens first and then the thoughts happen later. But I can use the thoughts that happened. For example, it can be anything. Basically, the emotional memory thing, which is used in even like in Stanislavski.
Still talk about that, because here it seems like very vague. It is something that you know, ऐसे ही कुछ ऐसे मेरे दिमाग में चलता है और उसके बाद मैं माइंड को वर्क करता हूँ, उसके बाद मैं थॉट्स को डाल, so it's sounding very vague. Then you talk about emotional memory, you know, कि मैं ये particular exercise use करता हूँ to enhance my emotional memory and connect the mind with body or thoughts or anything, right? Okay. Before उसके ऊपर
Yeah, so like this, to be aware of the body during natural untamed behavior.
ये क्या है natural untamed behavior?
मतलब like जब मतलब कभी कभार हम बहुत गुस्सा हो जाते हैं and it comes on our face and it comes on our body in a certain way. ठीक है, mostly तो हम ध्यान नहीं देते, but कभी
So
कभार
are you
जब
talking about the subconscious?
yeah. So
Yeah,
like,
then talk about the subconscious. Then give a heading subconscious body and then talk about this. Because ये untamed behavior, natural untamed behavior शायद किसी को समझ में ना भी आ सकता है. जिसको समझ में आएगा, जो term जिसको quickly समझ में आ जाएगा, वो term पहले use करो. Then you elaborate in your own way or you talk about the exercise that you follow in your own way.
yeah.
ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay.
Like kabhi, like just the making, like not necessarily that I will use that in performance, but like just making a face of the way I cry, it might induce a certain emotion of sadness or something like that. So I can use
Yes.
that.
So
Yeah.
you are using this particular method to enhance your subconscious body, right?
Yes.
Yes. Then say that. तुम
Okay.
यूज करोगे कि नहीं करोगे वो बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. But you practice this.
Okay.
Then you talk about that. ये तो नया चीज मुझे भी मालूम पड़ा. लाइथन. Okay.
Latihan.
Latihan. Okay.
Yeah.
Latihan. So it comes under which dance form?
ये लाठी से तो लेना देना नहीं है, लाठियान.
नहीं.
वो कहीं हिंदी को थोड़ा इंग्लिशाइज कर दिया, वो सेंट स्टीफेनियन स्टाइल के अंदर.
ये क्या मतलब? Any
It's not a
dance?
dance, or it's like what is it, like slow music. You let your body move in any way. It's not aggressive like dance, but like it's softer movements.
It's just
So,
response to the
yeah,
music. Your
and you
body
let
responding.
it flow as it is. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई step करना है या ऐसा कुछ करना है. You let it flow, almost like the way you journal, right? For your mind, the same way you do it for your body. You just let it flow. So what happens is that your body awareness increases a lot. That's it.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it did. This is relevant. Our first point, what was the?
It's dance, not as matlab, aesthetic expression.
Yeah.
Not the
So
way dancers
you have learned. You're trained in dancing, right?
No.
No, you're not.
I'm not saying dancing as like some kathak or some dance form or something, but like just dancing to overcome inhibition. It's not doing certain steps or something like that. It's just even like I did an FTI workshop, like small 20-day workshop where they use movement. That is just dancing on music.
Okay.
And to let inhibitions get out. Like you're like even in music, you'll act like a monkey, you'll act like anything.
Yes. So in that way, you can use this example. It's a clowning exercise where they actually keep just वो sound आता है उसके हिसाब से तुम express करने लगते हो bodily, and you gradually increase the intensity, and eventually you come out of all the inhibition and tension which is there in your body, and it becomes something which is aware at the same time unaware, right? So अगर तुम थोड़ा सा मतलब क्या बोलते हैं concrete चीज लिखते हो कि okay, this exercise is related to this or this form, like the Latihan that you have written, so it gives an impression that this person is actually aware. It's not कि ऐसे ही घर में नाचता है और ऐसे लिख डाला यहाँ पे, right?
Like I can put there the movement exercise, dance as a movement exercise.
Yeah. Okay.
Used for overcoming inhibitions.
Yes. Okay. 5.5 this one. और सब हेडिंग्स दो, नहीं तो ये पैराग्राफ्स बहुत लंबा है.
ये बड़ा एलोबरेट है, इतना टाइम नहीं होगा वहां पर तुम्हारे पास. You have to be very strong in your heading and very, I would say, in a more concise manner.
Okay.
Yeah.
चलिए आगे बढ़िए. Makeup पे आ जाइए.
How does makeup and costume design enhance the value of the performance of the actors in a film? Answer with examples from films. Makeup and costume definitely has a great influence in determining the external atmospherics of the character, which can be used as a cue to enter within. Bhiku Matre, like for example, Bhiku Matre from the movie Satya. The character was played by Manoj Bajpayee and remains an iconic character. People said that they could smell the sweat coming from the character's body while they were watching the film. That's how the outward appearance of the character, aided with makeup, artificial beard, and authentic costume, contributed to not just the realism of the character but overall realism of the film. The Joker from The Dark Knight, a character immortalized by the actor Heath Ledger, his most memorable role and one which got him his only Academy Award, received posthumously due to his untimely demise. The makeup and costume of the Joker is a part of pop culture, but Ledger and Christopher Nolan portrayed it in a very realistic way. There were times when the paint was even and other times smeared unevenly, making it realistic. The smile covering his scar is an example of makeup determined by the writer and serving as a crucial element of his backstory. The makeup and costume which Charles Chaplin wore in numerous films, which portrayed the iconic character of the Tramp, is one where both are used and reused to keep the same character alive even with changing times and movies. Makeup was used in the movie Pa to portray Amitabh Bachchan as someone suffering from progeria.
Yes, the points are on the right track. लेकिन तुम उसको मतलब divide करो, headings दो, नहीं तो ये paragraph मतलब वो उतना precise नहीं लग रहा है. You know, actually what you are talking about, actually what part of makeup you're talking about, or what part of costume you're talking about that, you know, plays in a film or a character in that way. ठीक है.
चार्ली चैपलिन का एग्जांपल जो है ये पर्सोना बन गया उसका, जो राज कपूर ने भी अडॉप्ट किया. तो यहाँ पर पर्सोना की बात नहीं हो रही, कॉस्ट्यूम एज ए पर्सोना. यहाँ पर बात हो रही है मेकअप एंड कॉस्ट्यूम कैन हेल्प एन एक्टर टू एनहांस द परफॉर्मेंस. इनके पर्सोना में घुस गए हो यहाँ पर, यहाँ ट्रैम्प वाले चक्कर में ना, तुम उस चीज को एलोबरेट कर रहे हो.
In that way you can put it in a way, मतलब ये जो मतलब ये
तो मतलब in the sense कि ये makeup और ये costume are like
ये जो connectivity है ना, कि ये एक image बन गया है ना, और वो उस image से कोई भी costume, अगर चार्ली चैपलिन की तरह costume और makeup करके कोई खड़ा रहेगा, and we will immediately connect with to that actor, to that person. तो connectivity की बात कर रहे हो ना, तो ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा, तो इसीलिए precise करो कि क्या exactly बोल रहे हो इस paragraph में particularly. You are taking a good thing is you have taken too much of examples, which is nice, but be precise in terms of, you know, what thought you are actually trying to convey in this point. Okay.
Challenge पाइए.
So like how much marks for that one?
Yeah, that I will give you 6. This is good.
But इसमें क्या है, बहुत सारा unfocused है. बहुत
unfocused है. उसको precise करना पड़ेगा.
Precise करना पड़ेगा. इसमें से कम 40% उड़ेगा.
According to you, what is the acting profession's greatest challenge today? कुछ गलतियां जो पहले थी सर वो उसमें भी है.
चलो आगे बढ़ो.
Yeah.
आगे बढ़ो.
There are some challenges which have always been there.
The whole point of this writing is that you need to realize where you are going wrong.
Yeah.
तो तुमने लिखा है कि तुम्हें 2 मिनट में पकड़ में आ गया. अब जो जिन्होंने लिखा नहीं है वो टूरिस्टों की तरह अपना बाद में सुनेंगे, तो उनका कुछ नहीं होने वाला. चलो.
Okay, sir. There are some challenges which have always been there. Things like an actor's looks and collective comment on how an actor should look, which I feel is totally misguided, as an actor should fit the part, not fit in society's perception. Immense competition, especially in the country like India, where most aspirants come to pursue acting as a substitute of doing the normal studies, not realizing how much reading and studying an actor has to do and continue doing so. To continue being an actor even when one is not getting paid, not getting a paid job for years together. So scroll down, please. Other newer, more peculiar challenges include, at a time when where there are so many avenues to develop one's craft and skills as an actor, it becomes even more difficult to distinguish oneself as an artist of value. The OTT being cemented for not just being a viable commercial option, but also a more democratic way of different kinds of films, stories and artists to coexist together. It has also given way to the untapped potential of so many artists. But the same boon can easily become a curse if there is an oversaturation of the medium, the way it happened on TV. Initially, even Indian television was good with a certain artistic standard, but we know how it ended up as. The medium determines the fate of not just the actor, but also the treatment of the performance. So scroll down. Last one.
मैं थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन लिखूंगा.
Yeah, the like I want to put this in inverted commas. The amusement park films which highlight a star more than an actor.
What is this amusement park films?
Like there was a like debate that Martin Scorsese did that there are certain films which are amusement park films, like superhero films, and then
Okay.
there are cinema where you're using the tools of cinema to tell a story.
Yeah, so it's coming under the genre already. It's they're stars. Here we are talking about actors in that way. इसके बारे में पहले भी बात हो चुकी है, मतलब वो actor in a commercial medium and how.
So like, but still, it's a challenge for an actor, right? Like,
challenge in what way?
Like if
आज के टाइम में एक्टर के पास क्या चैलेंज है, ये बड़ा सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है जो तुम लोग पता नहीं कहाँ भटक जाते हो.
मतलब चैलेंज क्या है? एक्टर को तो एक्टर बन के रहना है, उसको स्टार थोड़ी बनना है. तो चैलेंज तब आएगा जब मुझे स्टार भी बनना है और मुझे अम्यूजमेंट पार्क फिल्म्स करना भी है और मुझे मिल नहीं रही है. Are you talking about that?
No, I'm not talking in that sense, but like the way that OTT has created that. So amusement park film can also release on OTT, and a very normal a drama film or a more like a film like October can release and still have so many people watching it. So it gives a more democratic and equal space for everything. But the debate that Mr. Scorsese brought that 10 निवाले है और एक पिक्चर अगर 8 ले लेती है तो बाकी जो 9 पिक्चर है उनको बस 2 ही निवाले मिलते हैं.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, अभी थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लोग. ये पॉइंट जो है वो ज्यादा अलग ट्रैक पे चले गए. फोकस रहो थोड़ा सा, बस जो बात हो रही है उस पे फोकस रहो.
Yeah, but few points are relevant, but you need to think about it, make it more precise. I will give you 5.5 for this. Okay?
तो श्रावस्ती 10 बज गया है और 10 मिनट का एक ब्रेक.
और कितने बाकी है?
Is it 10 o'clock already?
Yes, but how many are left?
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
कितना और आंसर्स बाकी है अभी?
आपका आवाज म्यूट हो गया है.
सर हम लोगों को तो आ रहा है.
हाँ.
श्रावस्ती आपका आवाज जो है नहीं आ रहा. आवाज.
Your audio. Everyone is getting my voice.
Yes.
Your audio. Oh God.
सर हमको आप दोनों की वॉइस आ रही है, आप दोनों को एक दूसरे की नहीं.
हाँ.
आवाज का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
Yes, Siddhant has done a remarkable job.
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा श्रावस्ती. देखिए जरा.
God. I'll take help from Maimi.
Oh. वो कहीं से ऑडियो हिल गया उसके अंदर. तो we'll break for 10 minutes and come back.
Yes, I was asking how many answers are left.
अभी जो है 5, 6, 7, 2 या 3 और है. दो लोगों के
2-3 बाकी है.
दो लोगों के बाकी है तो थोड़ा थोड़ा ले लेंगे, उसके बाद फिर आपका देखते हैं.
अच्छा, 2 लोगों की बाकी है. हाँ, एक आंसर्स हम ले लेंगे 2 लोगों की. ठीक है. So we'll come back at 10:10, right?
Correct.
Shall we start? Naresh ji? Everyone can hear me? Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. So again, the same problem. Someone please text the chat. Mm,
Ma'am, maybe sir be not in the room.
okay, let me call him then. No, he's not picking up. Okay, let's do one thing. Oh, we can't do anything actually. I can't even show my PPT. I can't discuss answers. Naresh ji?
Ma'am, just a question.
Hello? Yeah.
ओके गाइस, जल्दी से पढ़ डालते हैं, थोड़ा थोड़ा जल्दी दो क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं अभी थोड़ा.
Okay, someone was asking some question. Yes, who was it?
Yeah, I will ask later on.
बंदे से बाद में बात करते हैं, पहले आज का काम कवर करते हैं. चलो भाई, विजय सरदार. नहीं, इससे पहले कोई और है? विजय सरदार से पहले
सर सचिन परमार. इससे पहले
सचिन. 2 क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे हम लोग, 3 नहीं पढ़ेंगे.
ओके सर.
बॉडी माइंड वाले को छोड़ दो, ये बड़ा वेग सा है. अब उस पे आते हैं, दूसरे असली वाले पे. ये वाला कॉस्ट्यूम वाले पे आइए. चलिए
सर, ये मेरा नहीं है.
जिसका भी है. किसका है कॉस्ट्यूम परफॉर्म?
सर मेरा है.
किसका है? कौन है?
सर सौरभ यादव.
तुम्हारा ही तो लिखा हुआ है ऊपर नाम.
हाँ हाँ तो सर मेरा ही है.
तो पढ़ो इसको, ये वाला, इसको पढ़ो.
आइए सर, नीचे आइए.
चलिए पढ़ो. चलिए.
So, artist with costume and makeup in a performance is identical to a meal well garnished before consuming. Costume and makeup provokes the spectators and enlevels the stage and lighting, enlivens the stage and lighting, which reflects a charismatic appearance of the character imbibed in an actor. What the script of the play or film demands is the imagination of particular individual and specific attire of an era or culture which follow a distinct tradition. We, the entire world, are distinguished on the basis of outfits like Indian, Western, Italian, and many more. Even the tribal groups are separated by the costume they prefer and follow. Costumes serve as a division of representing a society or community. Attire varies from state to state, to religion. In historical period, kings were adored with luxurious and expressive jewels and ornaments. Servants to be dressed up in dhoti, kurta, and turban. The dear ones of king wore heavy, mesmerizing coat. eat in silver utensils, probably to express whatever position they hold by costume and makeup. For example, in movie Akrosh, Bhiku is dressed up in such a manner which depicts the culture of tribesmen, of which composed of sleeveless shirt, untidy face, improper hair, etc. Heath Ledger in The Dark Knight, followed by Joaquin Phoenix in Joker, their costume and surrealistic makeup on the face using paints, curved colorful arcs of brushes ignited the character of Joker.
ओके ऑन राइट ट्रैक. पहला पॉइंट क्या बोला तुमने? लाइट एंड वो सब मिला के, लाइक लाइट.
Costume and makeup provokes the spectators and enlivens the stage and lighting, which reflects a charismatic appearance of the character.
अच्छा अच्छा. So you're talking about stage,
Yes,
but I think the
ma'am.
question is about film acting.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to make it proper. This point you have to make it proper. Yeah, otherwise it's on the right track. Yeah, but still you have to be precise. और इतना example मतलब elaborate करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just example हिसाब से, like okay, for this, like how a costume plays a part as in terms of ethnicity, right? People's characters ethnicity. तो उसके हिसाब से एक दो पॉइंट मतलब लाइंस में वो रख सकते हो. ठीक है. ओके, आई विल गिव यू 5.5. नेक्स्ट.
Greatest challenge. Criticism, a renowned word growing famous day by day, have been proving as a challenge and obstruction in confronting the world for an actor. One can't even express or share their dreams and desires to be an artist in the society or family. Societal members are something you neither do or follow, nor would let you do by criticizing the acting profession, among others, in a biased and peculiar way. They often relate this profession in an inorganic way by recalling the dark tragedies like suspenseful deaths of renowned actors and actresses, mob lynching, mental killing by hook or crook, and many more, especially to our guardians who, after knowing or listening, places us in such a way that next time and next number is of us who could be listed on top of occult death case would be found guilty against certain criminal charges and many more myths. And after that, the choice is presented in front of us, either doctor or engineer, and rarely sports sometime. To overcome this, I believe if everything is inevitable, then what to fear of? If we want to prosper and glow like a rose, then consider these criticism as thorns, which will be stick but can't inhibit the growth of rose.
Okay, so you are talking the greatest challenge as a singular challenge you are putting, like criticism.
Criticism, yeah.
Yes, only one point you are giving.
Yes,
Okay, you might add more points. Other than that, this societal objection was there like long back,
Yes,
मतलब since ever. हाँ, तो वो तो आगे भी रहेगा, नहीं भी रह सकता है, because time is changing. It's not a taboo anymore, that much of a taboo anymore. So और थोड़ा बहुत मतलब certainty भी धीरे धीरे आ रही है इस प्रोफेशन में. तो इस पॉइंट को थोड़ा सा और एक बार सोच के देखो कैसे रख सकते हो इसको. ठीक है. और भी थोड़ा पॉइंट्स ऐड करो, क्योंकि काफी सारे पॉइंट्स तो है, मतलब चैलेंजेस जो है.
रेस ऑफ स्किल्स ये ऐड ऑन कर सकते हैं ना मैम.
हाँ, स्किल्स, कंपटीशन, सोशल मीडिया, OTT, सब कुछ है ना, कंटेंट सब. Okay, I'll give you 5 for the answer. Okay. Next, who? This was sort of, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, where is Sachin?
Ma'am. Sir, scroll up.
No, this is your answer, Sachin.
No, ma'am, that is not my.
Okay, Nareshji, can you scroll up?
Okay, मेरे पे अपनी PDF में उसमें से रीड कर देता हूँ, तो that could be helpful.
You have to scroll up, Nareshji. Yeah. अच्छा, इसके बाद विजय है. ओके, विजय, आर यू देयर? Vijay. Vijay,
यस मैम.
quickly पढ़ लो इसको.
मैम सेकंड फर्स्ट वाला पढ़ूं?
नहीं ये वाला क्वेश्चन जो है.
मैम इसमें मैंने मतलब जब मैं पेस्ट कर रहा था तो नीचे का थोड़ा रह गया, तो मैं कॉपी से पढ़ सकता हूँ बाद में?
हाँ जल्दी.
Here's you could get on stage 100 times, but if you always fall back to what you know and feel comfortable with, then what that wouldn't get you anywhere. If there was anything that would lead to an actor improvement more than anything else, it would be overcoming fear. It is our fears that hold us back from element of great acting. The answer is practice. The more we work on stage or screen, the more it becomes a foundation for us. Method acting effects. Demands of acting hurting mental health. Actor experience significantly higher level of depression, anxiety and stress than the general population. इसके आगे मैं थोड़ा सा कॉपी से पढ़ रहा हूँ. While shooting of Raman Raghav, Nawazuddin Siddiqui was hospitalized. His wife was horrified when she saw him repeating the movie line on the hospital bed. He says, I am aware of what Dilip Sahab went through. In fact, after Devdas, he took up light-hearted roles in Azad and Kohinoor to sharp up of it. I too, doing Shahil Khan's Ali, and I think that will be the perfect stage booster.
Okay, और कोई points है विजय?
Ma'am, no.
हाँ, तो ये दोनों ही पॉइंट्स जो है ये हमेशा से ही रहा है एक्टर के चैलेंज के हिसाब से. तो वो तो मतलब फिर आज का पॉइंट्स नहीं रहा ना, वो एक्टर्स आज का चैलेंज नहीं रहा, वो हमेशा से ही चैलेंज है. सो यू हैव टू थिंक मोर, मतलब दूसरा पॉइंट्स देखो जो आज का प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है. आई थिंक सचिन वाज लेफ्ट टू read. Just any one question, Sachin, you can read.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. I'll read on in my own PPT. Body, mind, and voice. What are the actions that you have?
Naresh ji, can you hear me? Oh God.
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ श्रावस्ती, इन लोगों ने जो लिखा है, they have the input from variety of people. More important is because we are left with, generally we do for a 1 hour whatever we can. Today we have extended it little further. So what I would request is, let's not take up any student's work. You concentrate on what you have written so that they get benefited from your ideas. Because they have.
Okay, I think only one person is left. बेचारा वो wait कर रहा है.
वो रह जाएगा ना. The more important is your point. These people need to hear, and it is already going to be 11. You know, so we are left with a 30 minutes. So I would suggest let's concentrate on your point.
Okay, you can mail me, Sachin. You mail me.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. We'll start with Aja. How does makeup and costume? Certainly, I would say that makeup and costume is something which is like directly, involved or applied on the actors, and it is not through any kind of medium or anything. So apart from the body and mind of the actor, the next immediate thing that is as as an external element which is there, which an actor is actually what do I say, मतलब उसको पहन रहा है और उसको या फिर उसको embrace कर रहा है, is makeup and costume, which is immediately the closest elements to the actor, which is remaining. मतलब costume है तो वो पहन के ही रहा है, वो change हो सकता है, but he is always in costume. और makeup है तो makeup है ना, या property या कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि वो आ जा रहा है. It's something which is staying constantly with the actor. So it is of immense importance. Of course, it helps audience viewers to connect to the actor immediately through costume, through makeup. Screen acting में ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा vital है, especially because you need to appear realistic, you need to appear accurate, because of the magnification, because of the detail it captures. It is really very important. There is no way you can hide anything. Sometimes the makeup and costume are designed inspired from animals, birds, 5 elements of universe, like many like this many other things. So the immediate example that I was thinking of, like Ophelia's costume was inspired from swan, the white flowy costume that she was wearing, so it was inspired from swan. So is hisab se sometimes it is inspired from fire, or it is inspired from a particular animal, for example deer or snake, something like that. So ye costume design help karta hai to capture the extended psychology of the character. ठीक है, next slide. इन्वॉल्वमेंट जो है, एक एक्टर मेकअप और कॉस्ट्यूम पहनने के बाद जब खुद को देखता है एज एन कैरेक्टर, इन्वॉल्वमेंट strengthens. He or she gets a lot of confidence once they actually feel the weight and the cut and the flow and the space of a costume, or the actual thing which is there as a makeup on you when you see gray hair or a mustache. तो वो जो फीलिंग, एग्जैक्ट डायरेक्ट फीलिंग आता है एक्टर के बॉडी के साथ, इट इमीडिएटली affects the mind of the actor, and the actor feels more connected with the character. Makeup helps the transition of an actor, of course, while playing different age, mental state, emotion. ये हमने of course Iron Lady में देखा है, among the films that we have watched, how makeup and costume was actually changing through the film as she was getting old, younger, and the transformation. Costume and color is directly involved with the character, informing viewers about the psyche of the character. As I was talking about the other example, when it's the gray shades for character who is in a dull mood, and someone who is in love suddenly gets the yellow or the magenta in that way. So it's a color of romance, or red. It's a color of fertility. So इस हिसाब से वो costume का color भी change होता है, and directly involves the actors or the character's psyche. Conventionally, often the antagonists, next slide, tends to wear shades of black, gray, green, whereas the protagonist stays with lighter palettes of white, blue, yellow, etc. जो मैं बोल रही थी, even the cut, length, flow of the costume defines a character. For example, if a character is wearing something which is like very systematic, और बहुत body hugging है और बहुत cut, मतलब उसमें बहुत straight lines है, so that defines the kind of a character he or she is playing. If a character's costume is like really flowy, or उसमें maybe they have a sensuous elements in the material material of the costume or in the color of the costume, in the flow of the costume, then also it defines the certain characteristics of that character. Makeup and costume both conveys the extended information about the character. So apart from the bodily presence of the character, the mind of the character, the acting, acting of, the emotion or the state of mind it's conveying, that character is particularly conveying. Apart from all these things, costume and makeup helps either to enhance those elements or to add dimension or to add something, some extra information of that particular moment or character or situation or event, other than what is getting conveyed just like just through body or mind or through acting or through emoting. Okay, next. I think Robin Williams and Mrs. Doubtfire, she was playing a different gender altogether. A very major role costume and makeup has played, because of course the next slide, it was a different gender. Apart from that, age was also a factor. So convincing even in the film, she was coming out and coming out of the character, being himself, and then suddenly again playing the character of Mrs. Doubtfire. And there also the accuracy of the costume was very much needed to affect the acceptance among the viewers, also for the actor, because he was playing two characters simultaneously, of himself and Mrs. Doubtfire. For him also, this transition through makeup and costume was helping him to act the characters out. Okay, the next one, of course, Meryl Streep in The Iron Lady and Daniel Day-Lewis in Lincoln. So these are extremely realistic characters, real life characters. They need another kind of precision. They need, the next slide, they have to be, they are recreating something. So this recreation needs absolute precision. Otherwise, people will not believe in them. And these characters are very iconic characters, Margaret Thatcher and Abraham Lincoln. So the actors even need to be like really very careful while carrying the costume and the makeup. And certainly it is that image that we are talking about, that connectivity that acting and that makeup and costume does. Just the way we took this example of Charlie Chaplin. So someone with his costume and makeup, if someone stands and we directly as a viewer connects to the character he is playing. So these are also those iconic characters where connectivity with our viewer, costume and makeup has helped to actually reach out to people, reach out to the mind of the people. Okay, the next one, as I was talking about unrealistic characters, where Shabana Azmi in Makri, where she was playing this witch, and this character was really बहुत ही horrible सा था. The next slide. जहाँ पे it was it is not at all realistic, so lots of space was there for imagination and creativity. So whoever was designing the makeup and costume had quite a bit of space to experiment. And of course वो जो एक horror movie का एक witch का जो connection होता है, that was typically portrayed in this film, in this character, through this character. Or apart from Shabana's unique acting, the other impact that actually people were relating to was this makeup and costume. So otherwise that horror or the horrible sense wouldn't have reached to people. So that is how I think that impact makeup and costume has got in actors, especially in screen acting. Okay, next one.
Body and mind.
Okay. बॉडी माइंड अवेयरनेस, बॉडी माइंड एंड वॉइस, ऑफ कोर्स इसमें एक ही बात बोलूंगी कि इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग एनी काइंड ऑफ पर्टिकुलर स्कूल टेक्निक मेथड, डू मेंशन अबाउट दैट. Here I have tried to, in a general way, I have tried to reach whatever points I felt was relevant in these questions. Otherwise, you can always use your exercise, your way of understanding of body, mind, and voice, your technique. That is always welcome, whatever you are comfortable with. Okay. So I think body, an actor's body should be really aware, because like through reflex, spontaneity, impulse, and should be receptive to physicality. That means any kind of co-actor, any kind of physical intervention happening, or sound, or emotions. Okay. So I think for example, body awareness or alignment, Lecoq's exercise of pulled by a string, where you actually imagine yourself that you are pulled by a string, and the way you observe the way your body is, hanging, or every limb, every part of your body, how it's moving, and when the string is moved, how the body is moving in that way. So it brings a certain kind of awareness and alignment, understanding of alignment of the body. The next one, strength of the core. So core is very much important in terms of body, how an actor's body should work. So an actor's body should need stamina, and without a strong core, that cannot be achieved. Rigorous exercises of core brings balance, alignment, strength in the body, and that is what it is said, that the energy is conserved in the core, and if the core is strong, then the body gets, like, the core holds the body. So from there the energy passes to all over the body. So for example, I think I have gone through this training, so for me it is like Alaripattu Thangta helps to increase stamina, added with grace, reflex, balance, and alignment. For you, it can be anything, any kind of martial art, any kind of dance, any kind, whatever you think which will enhance core. It can be kickboxing, even it can be like a gym में तुम जो jumping, या फिर तुम जो mountain climbing, या फिर ये जो exercises करते हो, जो भी exercises you feel that strengthens your core that you have gone through, you can mention here. Okay. Next is flexibility. Of course, it needs flexibility. Stiff and rigid body will never be able to express any kind of, do justice to any kind of emotion. It will always express tension, and will hold the actor's body from being flexible. So I think Grotowski's exercise is there, which is imitating elements like fire, water. You observe fire, and you try to imitate that slowly, and how it's moving, how when the wind is coming, how the fire element is changing, and how when you are imitating that movement, you need a lot of body flexibility, because fire is something which doesn't have any kind of restriction in that way. So unlimited है वो. तो उस चीज को अगर तुम फॉलो करते हो, तो ये फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एनहांस करता है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स एनिमल एक्सरसाइजेस आर देयर, जिससे ऑफ कोर्स पोस्चर्स आते हैं, एंड अवेयरनेस आते हैं, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आते हैं. तो दीज आर द एक्सरसाइजेस आई थिंक यू कैन मेंशन अबाउट, and enhance, which will enhance flexibility. Next one, relaxation. Relaxation, though, of course, it controls it, controls your body and mind very much, and it conserves energy. Exhausted actor can never give their best. Exhausted actor कोई देखना नहीं चाहता है, because the tiredness or the exhaustion will come out however you try. Okay, so breathing is deep breathing exercise helps to release tension from parts of the body and helps to concentrate, and also yoga and meditation. also Surya Namaskar with proper inhalation and exhalation relaxes the body. So before the show, you can do that to relax your body, to have a neutral state of body, and then you can actually start to concentrate on the performance that you will be delivering that time. Okay, next, mind. अब कॉन्शियस माइंड है, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है. कॉन्शियस माइंड के लिए ऑफ कोर्स ये जो हमारे सेंसरी एक्सरसाइजेस है वो बहुत हेल्प करता है. ऑब्जर्वेशन, हियरिंग, स्मेलिंग, टेस्टिंग, टचिंग, all this sharpens the conscious mind. It's also effective to trigger memory, imagination and emotion. ये तो हमें पता ही है अब तक, but doing it regularly, it of course it enhances the conscious mind. Observation helps to, the presence of the mind is there. So you can say, you can elaborate this answer, like how you do it in household work, or when you go anywhere and visit a space, and how you actually analyze that space through senses. Subconscious mind, it demands an unaware or absence of conscious mind. So gaining absence of conscious mind is not a very easy job to do. Consciously putting effort to gain unconscious mind is not a very easy job to do it. But though it helps the actor to deconstruct the mind and discover new dimensions of emotion. So हम subconscious में क्यों जाते रहते हैं? क्योंकि एक तो जो चीज अभी तक डिस्कवर नहीं हुआ है फॉर एन एक्टर, वो चीज डिस्कवर हो जाती है, वो इमोशनल रेंज हमें पता चल जाती है. या फिर एक एक्टर को अगर सबकॉन्शियस के हिसाब से मुझे अप्रोच करना है, तो उसके सबकॉन्शियस में घुसने के लिए मुझे वहां पे जाना पड़ेगा. तो लाइक दैट, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द कॉन्शियस माइंड, एन एक्टर शुड ऑल्सो improve the subconscious mind. So इस हिसाब से मुझे लगता है कि रिचुअलिस्टिक टेक्निक्स जो है, so you concentrate on a particular single emotion, and then you enhance it. You can take help from music, you can take help from some kind of image in that way, which will generate a particular emotion, and try to push that emotion forward, more intense and more intense, when actually it reaches the point where you actually lose the control over that emotion, lose the conscious mind and body completely, and you at one point of time you reach the subconscious, which you might realize and might not realize at that point of time. Maybe later on you can actually think about it and then realize, but certainly your body and mind will discover or experience something new completely, which was not discovered till then. Okay, the next one, coordination. Now if the mind and body is not getting coordinated, there is no point. You can't play a character without this balance. So if the character is created through the coordination of mind and body, so simple coordination exercise of imagining shapes and letting the body take that shape, okay, and observing how the mind thoughts changes in between affecting the body. So sometimes, if, for example, if you think the body, if you're imitating your body as a square or a circle or a triangle or a diamond shape, like that, simple basic exercises where you try to follow your mind and let your body follow your mind. But at one point of time, when you actually think, you just have to be aware where your mind is stopping and your body is still going, and where your body is stopping but your mind is still going, and however, whichever way it's going and again coming back, and how that is affecting your body. Subconscious coordination demands uninhibited mind and body. Exercise of responding to music blindfolded brings balance between inner self and the outer body. So just taking cues from the for example a sound or music, and just let your body move. For example, for dance that he was saying, I'm forgetting his name, sorry, to Laithan. So or the exercise he was talking about, where just the body is flowing without a thinking anything. So uninhibited, in the sense, sometimes the actors should be like a child, when how the child is actually, he doesn't think anything and just enact or react or respond or act just like that. An actor should be always ready, like to act, and to respond, impulsive. So to enhance that, that also needs a coordination between mind and body. So just responding to the music and let the body flow, and shutting your eyes means you are actually, your mind is working more and not taking any cues from the visuals or images which are there in your present time, real time. Okay, the next one, voice, breath. So control, observation, and durability of breath impacts the voice and speech directly. We have talked about this before. So for example, staying on a single vowel as long as the breath allows, and not getting affected by the क्या बोलते हैं उसको, not moving, so like in a straight line. Okay, it's not getting हिल नहीं रहा है, the voice is not moving, okay, in a singular way. So practicing this with each vowel helps a lot, and durability जो है एक breath का, वो भी extend होता है. Diaphragmatic breathing has to conserve oxygen and enhance breathing durability. तो डायफ्राम से जो ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस है हमारे, काफी टेक्निक्स है उसके, तो वो एक्सरसाइजेस जो है वो हेल्प करता है वॉइस को, ब्रेथ को कंट्रोल करने का, ब्रेथ का ड्यूरेबिलिटी, बिकॉज इट विल अफेक्ट योर वॉइस, एंड व्हेनेवर यू आर स्पीकिंग इट विल अफेक्ट द डायलॉग यू आर सेइंग. Okay, the next one, resonators. 5 resonators are there. So of course, you don't know which resonator you might need to play a character. So of course, you should practice every resonators just to enhance the skill of your voice, or the range of your voice, or abdomen, chest, throat, nasal and sinus. इसमें ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न्स भी है, वॉइस आउटपुट इंप्रूव करता है ईच रेजोनेटर का. मे बी नेजल एंड साइनस इज समथिंग विच इज नॉट वेरी मच यूज्ड, बट स्टिल इतना तो मतलब, so that an actor should be prepared for anything. You don't know when or what or how you might need to use any of the resonators. So an actor must be aware of the resonators and the flexibility of it. Okay, range. Voice exercise of the lower to upper scale enhances the range of the voice. Singing exercises helps to improve the quality and range, of course. So whoever is trained in singing, so they know, of course, how and how it helps to enhance the range of a voice and the quality of a voice. But whoever is not trained, doesn't matter, सारे गामा पा सबको पता है. तो कोई भी अभी तो YouTube है, सब कुछ है, वहां पे जाके स्केल लाओ और उसमें प्रैक्टिस करो. लोअर स्केल में प्रैक्टिस करो, मिड स्केल में प्रैक्टिस करो, अपर स्केल में प्रैक्टिस करो, तो वॉइस का जो स्टेबिलिटी है वो आएगा, वॉइस का रेंज बढ़ेगा और तुम्हारा वॉइस क्वालिटी भी बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रूव होगा. सो दीज आर वेरी मतलब बहुत ही कॉमन टेक्निक्स है जो एक एक्टर अवेल कर सकता है. डजंट मीन दैट दे हैव टू गेट इनटू क्लासिकल सिंगिंग ट्रेनिंग और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ये कोई भी एक्टर कभी भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकता है, and of course it directly helps and improves the voice quality. Okay, we can go to the next one.
1 second.
Yeah. मुझे अभी 3 पॉइंट्स लगा. Other than that, actually this 3 इस पॉइंट्स के अंदर ही बाकी पॉइंट्स सब पॉइंट्स जो है वो है finding the unique quality. So unique quality is about how you as an individual, as an actor, is going to be different from others. That is the most important thing that an actor nowadays should think, because there are lots and lots of performers who are around you, and because of the kind of life we are actually living. It's a very chaotic and restless life that we are living. There is intervention of phone and social media and whatnot, apps and whatnot. So there is मतलब intervention हर वक्त है. So it's a difficult job for an actor to actually, you know, find privacy, peace of mind, and stay focused, to find the inner quality of an actor, which will actually make him or her different from others, which will make him or her unique. So we tend to get influenced social visual contents and end up imitating or replicating actor than being one. So हमें लगता है कि इस तरीके से हम अगर behave करेंगे, जो social media में, Facebook में मैं देख रही हूँ, Instagram reels में मैं देख रही हूँ, that an actor should behave like this. So if I start behaving like that, maybe I'll become an actor. So it's an absolute, I mean, you know, foul thing to follow. If you have to be an actor and have to find your own space, then you have to cut everything out and find that unique or that originality that you have as an actor. Only the unique and original mind of an actor makes him or her different from others. So to find that, you have to stay focused. You have to have you know, understand your inner self first, and then you can actually apply or implement those things, those personality in the characters. So that is very important, I think. Next, of course, technology and accessibility. So it's another challenge for today's actor, as social media is quite influential, and his popularity immediately, I don't know what I've written. Okay, so basically it's like you know, so Instagram, this competition that I was talking about, increased rate of competition is there, because, you know, everyone has got a phone and they are making, you know, videos and reels, and they are actually getting casted, they are getting opportunities, they are getting offers, and it is everywhere, and anyone and everyone can act in today's time, because it is not only about actors' skill, it is also about how you're appearing, how much you're reaching people, how much popularity you have gained in terms of followers, and of course, you know, how, because there is a kind of investment which is going to happen behind you. So apart from your skill, you have to have these kind of awareness, whether you want to use it or you want to stay away from it, that's your choice. But this is the situation right now, so an actor has to survive this. So apart from acting skills, you also have to have a very good social media skills and event management skills and whatnot. So another thing is, actors' life is always under scanner, because ये तो फोन बन चुका है, अब कोई स्टार वैसे रहा नहीं है जिसके जो, you know, out of reach है. Everyone is reached, even Shahrukh Khan is your Facebook friend. So if like this, everyone, मतलब actors' life बहुत accessible हो चुका है, और वो accessibility के वजह से एक तो हो सकता है उसको तुम काम पे लगा सकते हो, या फिर उससे affected होके तुम focus हिल सकता है तुम्हारा. तुम आज बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलैरिटी मिल गया तुम्हें, लेकिन कल हो सकता है कि नहीं भी मिल सकता है, because it's not about the skill only. There are 100 other things that you need to, you know, always maintain to be in the loop. And of course technical intervention, जिसके बारे में मैं बात कर रही थी last day, this green screens, body mapping, face mapping, this app, those app. So these are the things that an actor should be extremely aware of, because this will only and only improve, like it's going to क्या बोलते हैं, increase with time, and it will soon become unavoidable for an actor to come out of all these things and stay ignorant about all these things. Okay, the next one, content. As I was talking about, today's content travels between different genres which demands actors of immense skill. क्योंकि OTT है जो है वहाँ पे एक ही genre की काम हो रही है, ऐसे बात नहीं है. There are 100 other things which are happening. The content is like, now it's like really varied. It is not about, and every genre is like in a blur section. ये उस पे जा रहा है, वो उस पे जा रहा है. इसके बीच में एक एक्टर को जो काम है वो है कि अपना जो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है वो रखना है. जो कोई भी कंटेंट हो जिसमें तुम ऐसे ही मतलब you can access and you can have a effortless, seamless transition, just to stay relevant. You have to stay relevant. The contents are relevant. You have to stay relevant. You cannot have rigidity. You cannot have limitations too much. Then you will be cornered, because अभी जो है actors से काफी ज़्यादा skills मांग रहे हैं कि वो dark content भी हो जाए, humor content भी कर सकता है, और जो भी अभी चल रहा है चारों तरफ वो सब में वो they should be at least be flexible. Yeah, compatible. OTT of course वो कंटेंट हेल्प किया है, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे. कोविड की वजह से OTT का काफी वो हो चुका. एंड रिमेम्बर दीज आर रीचिंग पीपल टू देयर होम्स. तो you have to have that kind of connectivity कि तुम घर में, it's not like television content नहीं है. ये television content completely different है. OTT content और film content आज जो हो रहा है, it demands a certain kind of image also from actors. तो ये जो for example काफी actors हैं जो मतलब Vikrant Masse, for example, he looks very ordinary in that way, but has got skill and has got this ability कि कोई भी character हो, OTT हो, film हो, जो भी हो, he can seamlessly get inside the character and do.
नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी.
Yes, of course. ये उस हिसाब से, इस वजह से ही तो आया है ये लोग, ये जो कैरेक्टर एक्टर्स जो अभी स्टार जो बुलाए जाते हैं, because star in that way star doesn't exist anymore. The concept of star doesn't exist. ये कैरेक्टर एक्टर्स ही अभी stars है. वो हुआ कैसे? Because the content has changed in Bollywood हो या फिर OTT हो, it has changed. That's why these actors had gone. I mean, they got the opportunity to play or display their skills. तो उस हिसाब से एक एक्टर को देखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि वो मैनरिज्म वाला, वो स्टारडम वाला, वो सलमान शाहरुख वाला अभी जमाना, it's slowly fading away. Even Akshay Kumar is doing a Padman. So because of the content, because of the character, it's it's actually helping people to connect. So for that, an actor should be flexible to get into any kind of genre and to, of course, sustain. Yeah.
So we are done for today. And
any questions?
Anyone who want to ask something quickly, one can. बोलो.
मैम, रेजोनेटर्स वाला क्वेश्चन जो था, रेजोनेटर्स तो हमारे 2 होते हैं ना, तो आपने जो बताया वो रजिस्टर्स होंगे हमारे.
रेजोनेटर्स 2
होते हैं. मैम आपने बताया कि रेजोनेटर्स 5 होते हैं. सो am I factually wrong कि 2 होते हैं?
So it depends. Like many techniques, method have explained it in different ways. What we have learned, like we have 5 resonators in that way. So उस हिसाब से हम exercises करते हैं. But whatever you are convinced about, you write about that. If it's 2, you write about 2. doesn't matter. Whatever you feel comfortable, you feel convinced, you write about. I am saying like write about resonators and how you
Okay.
actually practice to enhance that skill. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
और कोई?
Ma'am, not related to this above question, just a question like in current कौन सी movie है जो overrated है जो हम लिख सकते हैं? Can you give me
Are you
example?
Vandita?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have mailed me, right? Yes, we will take up that question someday. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
चलिए mark कर दीजिए and we are done, Shravasti, and for tomorrow
Yeah.
I'll send
Thank
the
you.
okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. चलिए mark करिए यहाँ presents and we will wrap it up for today. Thanks.
Ma'am, I also mailed today's one question, makeup and costume. Please give your feedback.